Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Learn now from your learning partner. In today's video we're going to discuss about how to insert the button in Power BI and how to use it. If you're new to Power BI, don't worry, we are explaining everything you need to know, so please watch our playlist mentioned above to start learning from the scratch. And if you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out your learning. Buttons are a great way to add interactivity to your reports and dashboards, allowing users to perform actions such as filtering data or navigating to other pages. So, let's get started. Buttons are a great way to add interactivity to your reports and dashboards, allowing users to perform actions such as filtering data or navigating to other pages. To insert a button, go to the Insert tab in the ribbon and click on the button option. This will create a new button on your report. We will be adding the Reset button over here. Next, you need to add an action to the button. Click on the button and go to the Action tab in the ribbon. Here, you can choose from a variety of actions such as navigating to a different page or filtering data or bookmark, drill through, web URL, apply all slicer and clear all slicer. We will be adding the action such as clear the slicer. Once you've added the action, you can format the button by using the options in the ribbon. You can change the button's color, font, size, and other properties to match the style of your report. You can also move the button to the desired position on your report by clicking and dragging it to where you want it to appear. Now we will check if the button is working properly. In order to that, from the slicer option we will select Germany. And now you can see all the below results are for Germany. And now if you want to clear the selected country, we will take our cursor to button we had created just now. There we can see it is mentioning Control plus click. Hence when we do Control plus click, the slicer filter is clear now. And there you have it. Adding a button to your Power BI report is a quick and easy way to add interactivity and enhance the user experience. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more Power BI tutorials. Thanks for watching.